Hi, hello, welcome to Zoology Online Guru and our own app, Kumar Institute of Zoology. Recently, OSMANIA University conducted MSc entrance in zoology. So the question paper, the master question paper with answers released. Once we go through these questions and understand the pattern of questions, now we discuss the question pattern, the depth of the questions, the type of the questions in this video. Okay, don't skip the video, see the video up to the end and you can get the one type of pattern present in the zoology, how the questions are coming in the examination. This is the we have to know, because as aspirants of JL, DL and other competitive examinations, we have to know that how the questions are asking in the examinations is most important. By going through this the type of questions released by the university, we can make a assumption that the depth of the question and the pattern of the question we have to know. Okay, now see the question pattern in this master question paper. Let's start our session. Let us begin. Here question paper preview. So MSc Zoology on 7th August, MSc Zoology paper. This is the master question paper released by the OSMANIA University. It has two parts, part A and part B. Part A with 40 marks. Part A with 40 marks. Here 40 marks are there for part 1 or part A. See the first question. Question number 1. MCQs. Okay. So what information about protein can be derived most accurately from gene sequence? See question number 1. See the depth of the question. Information about protein. The information about protein. See here depth of the question. Can be derived most accurately from gene sequence. Sequencing of gene. If a gene is sequencing, what information accurately we will get according to proteins in the case of proteins. So what type of information accurately we will get? Here once again option 1, 2, 3, 4 given and the answer options here 2 only, 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only. So this is the type of question. See how tough it is. So if you know the gene sequencing, whatever the information we will get first primarily, the primary structure of protein only we will get accurately. The function of protein, the secondary structure of protein is not possible, and the three-dimensional structure of proteins is also not possible accurately in the gene sequencing. So what is the answer is the protein structure, the primary structure of protein only we will get. So 1 only is the answer. So here protein, primary structure of protein only possible. See this is the depth of the question. See the how depth it is. Another here in the immunity. Immune complexes mediated hypersensitivity. Immune complex mediated hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity types are there 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. In the type 1 hypersensitivity, the mast cells releases the histamine, serotonin, that chemicals, granules, and that granules cause the inflammation. But in the type 2, so here immune complex mediated hypersensitivity is here. Type 3 is the hypersensitivity is the answer for the immune complexes. If immune complexes formed, that is comes under the hypersensitivity type 3. So see this is the depth of the question in the immunology. So immunology, this much of depth we never expected from the for MSc Zoology entrance. So this is the MSc Zoology entrance question paper conducted by OSMANIA University for PG entrance. Okay. Intramolecular rearrangements are catalyzed by intramolecular. Here intramolecular means within the molecule. Intramolecular means within the molecule. So here within the molecule catalyzed by. So here enzymes, they are asking about the enzymes, enzyme types. Enzyme topics we discussed elaborately, very clearly. Okay, that is present in the zoology Kumar Institute of Zoology app. Okay, go through that app and see here enzymes. There are 6 types are there. The acronym I am writing here acronym OTHLIL. Here oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, ligases. Here intramolecular rearrangement. So fructose to glucose, glucose to fructose. Here that is called intramolecular rearrangement. Okay, that is known as isomerases. This is the answer given by this in the master question paper. Here isomerases, isomers, they create the isomers. So this is the answer for intramolecular rearrangements are catalyzed by isomerases. Next, question number 4. Which one of the following has 4-chambered heart? It's a very simple question. We cannot expect this is a simple question also. So depth is there and also very simplest questions also present. Seahorse belongs to Nidaria. Okay, and frog is a 3-chambered heart. So frog is a 3-chambered. Fish 2-chambered. Seahorse is Nidaria. Belongs to Nidaria, seahorse. Okay, and here peacock, birds and mammals, they are with a 4-chambered heart. So the option is the peacock is the answer for 4-chambered heart containing organism. Next question, that is a very simple question. Coming to here, when one gene masks the effect of another gene in the phenotype, that is known as, so one gene masking another gene, that is known as epistasis. Epistasis is the phenomena where one gene masks the another gene, and stops the phenotypic expression of that gene. That phenomena in zoology it is known as epistasis. Epi means it is coming and masking that gene and stops the phenotypic expression, that is known as epistasis. So pleiotropy comes under the ABO blood group system. And homeostasis, so maintenance of water balance in the body. Incomplete dominance means here both the characters of the parents cannot be expressed completely, that is called incomplete dominance. So these 3 are wrong and best option is the epistasis is the answer for this question. Next, arrange the order of events in the correct sequence. So in the correct sequence we have to arrange this one. So here sperm and ova, you know very well, sperm and ova, and combination of these two creates a zygote, This zygote undergo cleavage, okay, and forms a group of cells. It's called morula. Then undergo and forms a ball-like structure. This is known as blastula. Then blastula converted into a gastrula. So this is very simple. This is a simple concept. So arrangement of all these jumbled events, asking about to rearrange. So first one is fertilization. So ova and sperm combination is called fertilization. So first one is fertilization, then cleavage, then morula, then blastula, then gastrula. So 21354, 21354, 21354, this is the correct answer given here. Second option is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which one of the following post-zygotic barrier in the speciation? Formation of the species is known as speciation. In the speciation, before formation of the zygote and after formation of the zygote, they are asking what is the barrier for after formation of the zygote. Here, after formation of the zygote, the hybrid sterility. So the hybrid sterility is the best option, because after formation of the zygote enters into the blastula, gastrula stages and gives a new individual. That new individual, if it is undergo fertilization, it creates a new species. That is why in this organism, the hybrid organism stops the formation of sperms and ova. That is known as hybrid sterility. So after zygote formation, whatever the individual created, that created individual is unable to produce sperm and ova. That is called insterility is present in that one. That is called hybrid sterility is the best answer for the post-zygotic barrier. So post-zygotic barrier here in the speciation, so hybrid sterility is the answer. Next, tetrapods and insects first appear during the which period? Tetrapods and insects first appear during which period? Here given the Devonian period. Devonian. Why Devonian period? Devonian is the golden age. Golden age of fish. Okay, Devonian is the golden age of fish. Whatever the golden age is there, one of the organism, it is the base for the formation of the other class of phylum of organism, other phylum or class of organisms. So here after fish we have amphibians. After fish we have amphibians. Amphibians means amphibians created from the fish. So wherever the fish golden age, Devonian period, in that period some of the fishes, they undergo some environmental changes and that organism converted into the tetrapoda. So here Devonian period, that is called fish, golden age of fish is known as the starting point of tetrapods or frogs or amphibians. So here Devonian is the answer for tetrapods, and insects also created in this Devonian period. Okay. Ordovician period is the origin of fish, and Silurian, Permian, these are also present in the evolution period. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is a matching set of phylum and its three examples? Phylum and three examples. Phylum and three examples we have to do. Nidaria. Phylum Nidaria contains Bonella. Physalia. Yes, Physalia is present. Physalia and Aurelia. Physalia and Aurelia, both are present. Okay, three are present. Bonella, Physalia, Aurelia. Platyhelminthes. In the answer is this one. Okay. Platyhelminthes, planaria is Dugacia is present in the platyhelminthes. Cystosoma hematobium also present in the platyhelminthes. Enterobius vermicularis present in the, it is in the nematoda. So this is not one. Mollusca, Loligo, Torpedo, Octopus. Okay, Loligo and Octopus is correct, but Torpedo is not present in the Mollusca. Porifera, there is Spongilla, yes, freshwater sponge, and Euplectella, yes, is also Venus flower basket is called Euplectella, and Pennatula, sea pen is called sea pen. Sea pen belongs to Nidaria. Nidaria. So here this also a wrong option. Wrong. So first one is the correct one. Nidaria, Bonella, Physalia, Aurelia. Physalia. But in the platyhelminthes, Enterobius is not present in the platyhelminthes. So this is somewhat a controversial question. Controversial. If you know the answer, please comment on this question. Platyhelminthes, Planaria. Planaria is there. Cystosoma, Hematobium is there. Enterobius vermicularis is belongs to nematoda. Okay, this is the first answer is correct. According to my knowledge, Bonella, Physalia, Aurelia, they are belongs to Nidaria. And if you have any doubt and if you have the answer, comment me. Which are the following organism exhibits a diploblastic organization? Diploblastic. Here diploblastic means they are also known as radiata animals. Radiata animals. In the starting of the zoology, the basics of zoology, we discussed enormously. The more information is there about this total information of the classification of kingdom Metazoa. We discussed it elaborately. Okay, that is present in the Kumar Institute of Zoology app. Okay, we can go through that app and see the total information about the classification of a kingdom Animalia. Okay, radiata, radial symmetry and diploblastic. He asking about the diploblastic. Diplo means here two layers are there, ectoderm and also endoderm. Two layers are there, ectoderm and endoderm. Okay, that organism, see here, radiata, Nidaria. Nidaria is the example for the diploblastic Nidaria. So in the Nidaria, Hydra is present. Hydra is present. Earthworm is Annelida. Earthworm is Annelida. Squid, mollusca, crab, arthropoda. So this is also very simple question. The basic information, basic question given, basic. Answer is the Hydra is the answer. Next, organs of Jacobson's in the amphibians. Amphibia also in their nose they have Jacobson's organ. Jacobson organ present in the amphibia and also in the reptilia, in the snakes. Snakes also have these Jacobson organs. In amphibia, so sound producing means we need mouth. For sound producing we need mouth, sound no. And pressure and the skin, temperature is a tongue or skin. So here in the nose, Jacobson organs are present. So in the nose work is for a smelling purpose. So Jacobson's organ in amphibia for smell purpose. Very easy question. So somewhat there is no any controversy. The hormone that causes the smooth uterine muscle to contract during the animal parturition. Parturition means baby birth. That's called delivery time, the time of delivery. So baby birth. At the time of baby birth, that's called delivery time, commonly called delivery time. So whenever the pushing of the baby from the uterus that creates uterus wall increment. So increasing the uterus wall, that increment given by this one of the hormone that's called oxytocin, the best one, and it's a very simple question also. It's a very simple question. Oxytocin is this hormone contract the uterine muscles and gives the childbirth. So it's called oxytocin answer.